Hey everyone, this is Andrew with W Investments. Today I wanted to take a quick moment to introduce you to our new tool that we'd like to call the Financial Hub. If you navigate to our homepage at winvestmentsco.com, you'll see a button called Financial Hub. Selecting that button will redirect you to this link here for a sign-up page through Right Capital. Right Capital is the financial planning software that we're now using in our office and also gives us the ability to provide this tool for free for existing and non-existing clients. Today we're going to be Freddy Frugal signing up with an old email of mine here. After we create an account, it'll start the information collection process. Here we have a family profile and Freddy Frugal can stay at 53 years old, and we'll say that he has a wife named Francesca and a son named Francis. So there's no limit to what all you can put in the family profile. And here we can add children, grandchildren, and even other family members in here. But today we'll keep it to the three, Freddy, Francesca, and Francis. Next up, it gives you the opportunity to enter information on your income. So let's say that Freddy earns $55,000 a year and Francesca earns $60,000 a year, and we'll leave their Social Security as estimates. If they did have Social Security statements, it can be entered as a statement value here for a more accurate representation of that income. Here we can control all of our savings cards. It auto-populates with 401k savings and taxable savings, but we can add a multitude of different savings accounts here. We'll leave it at these three. Now, the net worth section is where we're going to be linking all accounts and financial information. Here under banks, we can link bank accounts, and we can either add accounts manually by selecting add account, or we can link accounts using an aggregation tool. So if you had an account at US Bank, you could use your credentials to log in here, and it'll link that account to this profile and automatically capture information from that account as it's received. Freddy Frugal is not real, so he does not have any real bank accounts to link. So today, let's say that they have $15,000 in a checking account. They have a credit card with a $2,500 balance at 20% APR that they're paying $200 a month on. Down here, they can both have 401k accounts. Freddy's 401k, and let's say that there's 50,000 in there. And here we can add another account for Francesca. We'll make this Francesca's 401k with 80,000 in it. No stock plans. Let's add a home mortgage of 20,000, originally 90,000 at 3%. Let's say 2010 works for me. And they're paying, let's call it 900 a month with a $20,000 balance. They have a home that they own in Kansas. They bought it for, let's say, 115,000. And it's currently worth 135,000 because over the time that they bought that 13 years ago, it has certainly increased in value. And they pay $1,800 a year on taxes and $2,100 a year on insurance, and they put in about $5,000 a year on maintenance. Now, insurance policies, I'm not going to take the add any, but insurance policies that we can add include life insurance, different types of life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care, automotive insurance, liability umbrella insurance, and homeowners. And then other assets, we can add lifestyle assets such as vehicles, boats, large toys, businesses, stuff of that sort. But today we are not going to worry about it. So we have all of the accounts added, linked, insurance policies organized in there. Then we get up to living expenses. Now the tool will automatically calculate your current taxes and fees, but let's just say that they have a monthly living expense of two married couple living with a kid, let's say $2,500. Now you can do it as a simple approach or as a detailed worksheet where you actually break it down into separate categories. But for today, we'll keep it quick and easy at 2,500. Next up, we can organize goals, and let's just say that all they have is a retirement goal at 2,500 a month of their current expenses and retiring at 65. So after this information section is completed, we'll hit complete and it will develop your tool. So we've got two sections here under the dashboard. This is where we give you access to your balance sheet and the budgeting tool. Now there's not going to be anything under the budgeting tool now since we added our accounts manually. However, if we linked bank accounts through their respective logins, credit cards through their respective logins, those transactions will automatically be captured. And then this tool can be used to organize and categorize those transactions for your budgeting. Under your profile, the net worth section is where we have all of those insurance policies, financial assets, lifestyle assets, loans, stuff of that nature. And of course, accounts can be added and removed at any time, either by logging into their respective institution or adding it manually. Goals, income, savings section, this is all what we filled out when we got this tool initially set up. And then it provides us this little blueprint. It'll break down your family, have jointly held assets here, and then independently held assets elsewhere. And then finally, we have access to a vault. Now, the vault is secure document storage online using a cloud service. You have a private folder here where if you want to store information that we cannot see on our end, it can be added in this folder. However, if you do want us to see that information, it can be saved in this shared folder. Now, this tool is going to be free for use for everybody. You do not need to be an existing client, but I do think it's important to mention that if you decide to use this tool, we will have access to your profile on our end and be able to see everything that you enter. So if you're not too keen on us seeing information pertaining to your finances, please do not sign up for this tool because we will be able to see it plain as day. I hope you enjoyed that presentation on this tool that we'll be providing for free. Again, it is for existing clients. Even if you don't have an account with our firm, you're more than welcome to use this tool. Our goal here is to provide everyone with a resource to organize their financial affairs and retain access to a budgeting and balance sheet tool, as well as provide a way for secure document storage online. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our office and let us know how we could be of assistance.